Google just changed the game. Small business owners, listen up, because Google just recently added something to their Google search results page that is going to shift the way that people find your small business online. And because not a whole lot of small business owners are paying attention to this right now, or they simply don't know about it, if you act on this now, early on, you can gain a serious edge over your competition. So what's new on the Google search results page? Well, it's this tab right here, the short videos tab. Yeah, you heard that right. So the time has come. All of that hard work that you've put into creating short form content on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or even TikTok can now be found in Google search results. What's interesting here is that back in 2024, Google was testing this feature, but only when you were using Google on your mobile phone. Now it's 2025, and we all know that things change around here pretty quickly. Apparently, the testing went well because now this tab also appears in the desktop version of Google, and it looks like it's here to stay. So keep watching this video if you want to learn how this new tab works, why it matters to you as a small business owner, and how to take advantage of it starting today. By the way, tell me down in the comments below, before clicking on this video, had you seen the short videos tab in Google, or is this news to you? How it works. Let's start by breaking down how exactly this short videos tab in the Google search results work. When someone goes to Google and searches something like how to style a denim jacket, instead of just blog posts or long form YouTube videos popping up in the Google search results, now all of the video content that is created from Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok that matches this particular phrase or search term is also going to populate within that Google search results page. The best part of this is because everyone and their mama has been telling us to create short form video content over the last 5 years for these social media platforms. If we have been doing this, we now have the opportunity to show up at the top of Google search. Because Google is using SGE, Search Generative Experience, so basically this top portion right here of a Google search results page is dedicated to generating their own AI response to whatever inquiry you've put into Google. This AI can crawl short form videos, okay? So it can actually take the information from captions and also from verbiage, what you are physically saying in a video, and include it into these responses. So let me give you an example of this. If I were to go to Google and type in, "Can I grill eggs on the smoker?" and I click more, it actually recommends this video right here from YouTube Shorts. Why this matters to you as a small business owner? This matters because it can make an impact in your small business. First and foremost, all of the time that you spent creating short form videos, because if you're a small business owner in 2025, you are more than likely using either Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, whatever, to try to attract new people into your small business. While all that time you spent in thinking of ideas, recording the videos, editing the videos, publishing the videos, coming up with captions, all of that, you're going to get a lot more juice out of it because now you're multiplying its reach. It's not only going to be attracting people on these individual social media platforms, but it also has the opportunity now to attract new people into your small business or to learn about your small business from Google. And while yes, people are now turning to TikTok and Instagram to buy products or services, Google is still the most dominant search engine worldwide, meaning that the impact it can have on your small business is big. Unlike people who are scrolling through the social media platforms, people that turn to Google and search for products or services are generally ready to buy. All right, so they are in a different space as far as being transactionally ready to pull out their credit card and make that purchase. Your small business appears on that search results page. That's visibility, that's traffic, and that's revenue. How you can take advantage of this? There are 4 things that you can start doing today in order to take full advantage of this opportunity. Number 1, if you are not creating short form video content on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok, or even on YouTube, consider starting. Number 2, create short form video content that answers the questions that people are more than likely to type into these search engines. So let's say, for example, how to use elderberry syrup or best candles for holiday gifts. Pretend you're on the other end of that computer or that phone and think about what phrases, keywords, or questions you would type in if you were wanting to find information on whatever it is that that person might be looking for. If you start there, then you can easily use those same keywords, phrases, or questions in the beginning of your video, which, as we all know, that nice little AI or Google crawler is going to love. Number 3, use SEO-friendly titles and hashtags. So it's not enough just to say these keywords, phrases, or questions in the beginning of your video or throughout your video. You're going to want to be very strategic about the types of captions or the titles that you are actually using for the video so that you're giving Google enough data to crawl and to be able to see what your video is about. Remember, at the end of the day, Google is the ultimate matchmaker. Its job is to be sure that it matches the Google user with the best type of information for what they are looking for. The more data that you give Google, the better it's going to be for you, because you're allowing Google to figure out exactly what it is you're talking about and what your content is focused on. So then Google is finding the right target audience to match your videos to. And number 4, if you're not using YouTube, maybe consider starting. I never recommend that you just start using a social media platform for the sake of adding more work to your plate, because you guys are small business owners. You're busy. You got enough to do, right? But if you've been on the fence about starting a YouTube channel and you think that it really can benefit your small business, then maybe let this be the nudge that you need, because according to several sources, Google is actually prioritizing YouTube Shorts specifically in this short video tab. And the reason for that is because Google owns YouTube. All right, so why wouldn't they promote their own stuff first, or at least prioritize it? Don't start YouTube if it's not something that's going to be an added benefit to your small business. But if you've been considering it for some time now, then just know that this is another added benefit to starting a YouTube channel. Your short form video content that you upload to the YouTube Shorts section would be prioritized in this new Google tab. Now, while Google is one of the best places to get visibility to attract new customers into your small business, if you're only focused on new customers, you're missing out on a really big strategy that could increase your sales. If you want to find out how you could get more sales and spend less money, go ahead and watch this next video right here.